In this video, I'm going to teach you something that will help you to save time and answer questions quickly and accurately in the TOEFL reading section. Hello, my name is Mr. Hearn, and I am your TOEFL tutor. If you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing on your TOEFL. Okay, you may not know this, but the TOEFL IBT is a test of structures and rules. One of the ways that they structure the information in the passage is to put sentences in pairs. It's a rule that they use not only on the TOEFL IBT, but in all of academic books. Remember that I'm not just helping you pass your TOEFL IBT. If you're going on to university, you're going to need to know all of the skills that I'm teaching you so that you can get passing grades while you're there. Okay, let me just take you now to show you the rule that you need to know for answering questions quickly and accurately on the TOEFL IBT. Take a look. Get a piece of paper and a pencil and write this down. Sentences come in pairs that share the same main topic. The first sentence introduces the topic. The following sentence gives more information about the topic previously mentioned. All right, do you got it? Could you repeat it to me without looking at your notes? You see, if you don't have it in your heart, you don't have it. And if you don't have it, you won't be able to use it on your TOEFL IBT to answer questions quickly and accurately. So take a moment, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and write down that rule. Sentences come in pairs that share the same main topic. The first sentence introduces the topic, and the following sentence gives more information about the topic previously mentioned. Now, they use this rule all throughout the TOEFL IBT. Let me give you a couple of examples of how this works. Take a look. The questions I'll be using in this video come directly from the official TOEFL IBT tests, Volume 2, 4th edition, by ETS, the people who make the test. Remember, when practicing for your TOEFL IBT, use only the newest, up-to-date, genuine ETS TOEFL IBT practice tests. There is no better question on the TOEFL IBT to illustrate this rule than the insert sentence question. Take a look at your bolded sentence. What is the topic of this sentence? The cheaping. And what does the sentence say about the cheaping? It provides important information. Now, you may be tempted to read the rest of the sentence to determine where the sentence fits in the paragraph, but it really isn't necessary because of the rule. The rule states that sentences come in pairs that share the same main topic. The first sentence introduces the topic, and the following sentence gives more information about the topic previously mentioned. Looking at our bold sentence, we can see that this is an introduction sentence. And what is the topic of our introduction sentence? Cheaping. Because this is an introduction sentence, we need only look at the sentence following each letter for the word cheaping. Looking at choice A, does the sentence following choice A contain the word cheaping? It does not, and therefore A is not possible. What about B? Does B have the word cheaping? No, but it does have the word cheaps, and it begins with the pronoun these. These cheaps. This is another way of saying cheaping. And because sentences come in pairs, choice B is possible. Go to choice C. Do we have the word cheaping here? We do not. So C is not possible. Going to choice D, well, there is no sentence following D, so D is not possible. And B is the credited answer. I know you may be saying, Mr. It can't be that easy. Well, when you know the rules of the test and you apply them to the questions, you can answer them quickly and accurately. And that's what my online video course is all about, It's teaching you those things that you need to know about the structures and rules of the test so that you can answer questions quickly and accurately and get that respectable passing score. Now, keep in mind that there are easy, medium, and hard level questions. This one happened to be an easier level question. If you want to know how to answer all the rest, go to my video course where I show you step by step in easy to understand American English exactly how to answer all of this type of question. Let's take a look at another type so that you understand that this rule applies to all question types on the reading section. Take a look. Here we have a detail question. And what is this detail question asking about? What was the relationship between lichens and ferns? Now, you may be tempted to read the rest of the question, but I can assure you it isn't necessary. It's only giving a description of what the paragraph is generally about. But what we're looking for is a sentence or a pair of sentences that talk about the relationship between lichens and ferns. Looking at our passage, is there a sentence that has the word lichens? There it is, lichens, the very first word in the paragraph. And what does this sentence say about the lichens? And let's not read the entire sentence. Let's use our sentence simplification skills to read less, to understand more. What is it saying? Lichens helped the decomposition of the rock, preparing a soft bed of soil that was abundant supply with minerals. All right, so what is the relationship between the lichens and the ferns? Let's continue on and look at the related sentence. What does the related sentence say? Now, other forms of life could take hold. But what other forms of life? You see this little punctuation here? It's telling me that this information is directly connected. And we have our word, ferns. This is the information that is directly connected to the question, and it's the information you need to answer the question quickly and accurately. As you can see, sentences come in pairs, and this pair of sentences is directly related to the question that you're being asked. And by reading less, that is, reading only those sentences that are directly related to the question, you can answer these questions quickly and accurately, saving yourself a lot of time and anxiety. Now, you may have thought that I was going to answer this question for you, and if you want me to answer this question, type 2 in the comments below. If you'd like to answer all of the questions on the TOEFL IBT quickly and accurately, earning that respectable passing score, go to my website and subscribe to my online TOEFL video course where I teach you in simple, easy to understand American English, the procedures and rules for every single question so that you can earn a score of over 100 on your TOEFL IBT and get on with your life. I look forward to seeing you there.